Hey guys, here's the road glide I picked up. 2023. And I'm going to do a stereo install on it today. Okay, that's the fairing off. Pull the seat. Now you have to take the headlight out. Well, I took this whole bike apart and it turns out it already has an amp in it. And it's a good one. What is it? It's, where did I see it? Yeah, looks like somebody already had it put in. There's some wiring already, some thicker wiring. Well, this is what it looks like in there anyway. And that's the bracket they used. All right, time to put it back together.